Sheriff's Office is searching for Lucas Wright, white, male, 9 years old, 4 feet 5 inches, 70 pounds, brown hair, hazel eyes, and wearing all green outerwear.
Amarillo!
Blue white undercoat, gray Adidas shoes with red bottoms.
I got
The Medina County Sheriff's Office is searching for Ariana Wright, white, female, 8 years old,
What the?
4 feet 5 inches, 70 pounds, brown hair, hazel eyes, and wearing all green outerwear. LL Bean purple undercoat, brown boots with a camo leaf top. The Medina County Sheriff's Office is searching for Jonathan Wright, white, male, 11 years old, 4 feet 8 inches, 80 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and wearing all green outerwear. LL Bean bright blue undercoat, gray Adidas shoes with red bottoms. Police are looking for Jonathan Alexander Wright, white, male, 40 years old, 5 feet 9 inches, 170 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and possibly wearing a green jacket or hoodie in connection with their abduction. The suspect was last heard from at 3:45 p.m. on December 20th, 2021 near Creek 366 and Federated States of Micronesia,
Amarillo!
Hondo, Texas on foot. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger.
It's 3.
If you have
That
any
is not
information
good.
regarding this abduction,
What
call the Medina
in the
County
heck?
Sheriff's Office at 837
That's 2 in a row.
6153.
For real! 1 yesterday, 1 today. Perfect. Perfect!
The 9 p.m. air...